Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study about diffusion. Before starting our video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. First of all, what is diffusion? Imagine that you are sitting in the living room reading a book. Your sister accidentally spills a bottle of perfume in the living room. Gradually, you become aware of a pleasant scent spreading through the living room. How has the scent of perfume spread through the living room and into your nose? The answer is diffusion. Suppose that your sister spills a bottle of perfume at point A and you are sitting at point B and you smell the scent of perfume through diffusion. The process that takes place is diffusion. Now we are going to discuss how this happened. We all know that all matter, including perfume, is made up of particles such as atoms, molecules, or ions. So individual particles of perfume evaporate from the surface of the spill, that is, they become a gas. The particles of the gas are constantly moving. They bump into one another and bounce about. Particles are moving and they bump into one another and bounce. This causes the gas to spread outwards throughout the house until it reaches your nose and you smell it. The gas spreads outwards through a process called diffusion. So the process diffusion. Point A represents the point where perfume was spilled, and point B represents you in the living room. Gas particles from the bottle are more concentrated at point A than at point B, which means that point A and B has a concentration gradient. There is a concentration between both the points. Here we can see the direction of movement of particles from point A to point B, and we can see that the concentration at point A is more than concentration at point B. So molecules move from point A to point B. Point A was the point where the perfume was spilled and point B is the point where we are sitting or you are sitting. So there is a concentration gradient that through which molecules move from point A to point B. So diffusion can thus be defined as a net movement of molecules or particles down a concentration gradient We can also define diffusion as the net movement of particles, ions or molecules from a region where they are of higher concentration to a region where they are of lower concentration, that is down a concentration gradient. There is a rule for diffusion, that is, the steeper the concentration gradient, the more the steep will be, the faster the particles will move. The steeper the concentration gradient for a substance, the faster is the rate of diffusion for that substance, which means that if particles will move faster, the concentration gradient will be steeper for that particle. I hope you understand the topic. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.